Part 1 of The Hated Child. It's finally morning to wake up the brat. Oh, she's so ugly. Well, I'm gonna go to the bathroom. I meant, yeah. Nice. Di ko po maliligay. Okay, I finally changed. Now I gotta wake up the brat. Oops, guys, I forgot to put the emoji. Ugh, wake up, brat. Huh? What is it, Mom? Don't even call me Mom. I'm your stepmother, and you're just a foster child who your mom kicked out. What? Is that true? I don't believe you. Yes, it's true now. Go get our lunch for my babies. Fine. Okay. Well, can I have my snail, my worm? No. Give me that worm. Hey, don't trash it. Ugh, I already trashed it. Now go. Okay, fine. Wala nga eh. Oh. Naubos mo lang ang bata, Riley. Oh, ito na lang, Peppa Pig, oh. Sige, huwag ka mag-cellphone. Buboka. Di nga gumagana yung toka-boka. Alam niya nga po, na-talking Tom yun eh. Ay, oh, toka-boka. Ay, to tito mo.
Yung kanina pinaglagyan ko, yung kamukha sa TV.
Hindi nga po yung toka-boka. Roblox nga po yun. Pabayaan niyo po siya. Pabayaan niyo nga po siya. Ako lagi yun na ano. Riley! Ano ba? Doon ka sa taas! Kaya mo yung papa mo doon. Kung ayaw mo maglaro, huwag ka maglaro. Nakainis ka na eh. Sige, pumunta ka. Sige, maglayas